Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being here and thanks for watching my video. Here is our today's video. In our today's video, we are going to show you some amazing palette wood projects ideas. Get ready to unleash your creativity and transform discarded palette into a functional work of art. From rustic decor to the practical furniture, we will show you how to breathe a new life into old wood. Let's get started. And first up, we have a beautiful art piece made from the reclaimed pallet wood with some disassembly standing and creative assembly. You can create a one-of-a-kind piece that adds a touch of industrial chic to any living room. Give your bedroom a beautiful makeover with a pallet wood headboard and a wall hanger. Simply attach a pallet, add some decorative trim pieces. You have got unique focal point that will make your bed the envy of neighborhood. Pallet wood shelves are a great way to add storage and style to any room. From minimalist design to elaborate shelving unit, the possibilities are endless. Get creative with your design and make it fit your space you need. Take your pallet wood project outdoor with beautiful planter box and a wall piece, perfect for herbs, splendor flower, and unique project for easy and complete. Adds a touch of greenery to your patio and great style. Add a personal touch to your wall with the pallet wood furniture. With some creative cutting and assembly, you can create a unique frame that showcases your favorite memories. And there you have it, just a few ideas to get you started on pallet wood journey with a little creativity and some elbow gears. The possibilities are endless, so next time you see a pallet, don't think trash, think treasure and get building, and you will see some amazing projects in future. Create a functional and charming potting band using pallet wood, perfect for gardener enthusiasts. This project provides a convenient workspace for potting planner and sorting garden looks. Add a touch of rustic charm to your entryway with a pallet wood coat rack and a beautiful cat. With hook shelves and a bit of creativity, you can create a functional and stylish piece that keeps your coats, hats, and bags organized. Keep your favorite treats organized and within a reach with a pallet wood magazine rack, perfect for living room, office, or a bedroom. This project is an easy to complete and has a touch of industrial chic to any space. Wine enthusiasts rejoice, create a stunning wine rack using pallet wood that add a touch of elegance to your home bar and kitchen. Finally, create a cozy outdoor hut pallet wood that perfect for garden, patio, and the porch. With a bit of weather-resistant treatment, a band can withstand the element and provide a comfortable sitting area for your loved one. And that's what we hope these pallet wood projects idea have inspired you to get creative and transform discarded wood into a functional work art. Remember, with a little imagination and some elbow gears, anything is possible. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next project. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.